Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques, how you doing today? We got a special piece here. A lot of you guys have been watching our videos. This is from our collector Tim up in Colorado. Had the amazing collection. This came from his collection. This is a 1920s diamond matchbook vendor that he's had nicely restored. Really nice shape. And again, what I like about these pieces, not only is it a functioning vending machine, but it's also a cool piece of advertising. So if you're in the market for something that was good enough for Tim's collection, this is good enough for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.